Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. Let me show you how to use these elastic guides and loop turners. Pack of 3 elastic guides are great for feeding cords of all thicknesses and the narrow elastics through all sorts of drawstring bags, through the hood of your hoodie. For instance, I've used it to put the cord through this bag here and to put the ribbon ties through this little bag here. But let me show you how to put elastic through a waistband. First thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to trim my elastic into a little point. So the elastic is cut to the size of my child's waistband. Pop it through the top hole. It's easier to thread through if it's a little point. And then just to help prevent it from coming out as I'm feeding it through the casing, back through the hole beneath. And that's ready now to feed through. So I can just feed it through the casing. And the nice thing about these being so long is that they feed it through really quickly. Now I'm actually going to just anchor the end of my elastic to the skirt here, just so that doesn't disappear inside the casing as I go. Easing it along as I go. And then it's ready to come out the opening that I've left. So I can bring it out, get it out of my guide, and now I can machine sew or hand sew those two ends together, ready to slip inside the casing and then finish the skirt. So I have got a nicely gathered little skirt for a little tot. But that's not all we can do with it, of course. As I said earlier, we can use it to feed cord. So this time I'm going to feed the cord through the hole. So again, I put it through one, and then I put the end through the little hole there, and again that will anchor it in place and stop it coming out. This is to replace the cord around the neck of my hoodie. So it's nice and easy to feed it through. And when you've got something like this to do, you can find it can take forever because it's a long way round. But with these flexible guides, it goes through really nice and quickly. Just release the cord again. And that is now threaded through my hoodie, ready to wear again. But one more thing I can do with this, I quite like using the other end, the flatter end, when I've turned loops through, or anything that you have a crisp point. You can just use that end to push out corners, and it gives them a nice crisp edging. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.